Hello everyone. I am Kanika back from the house of Kalakari and I am here for a festive special live session. A quick live session where I'm actually here to display this very beautiful suit that I am wearing, which is in the fabric of चिनॉन. चिनॉन के फैब्रिक में है, बहुत अच्छे चिनॉन के फैब्रिक में है. सो फटाफट से ज्वाइन कर लो बिकॉज इस फेस्टिव सीजन जो एक चीज लॉन्च करनी रह गई थी वो था एक बहुत स्मार्ट सा गरारा. एंड हियर वी आर, this beautiful garara which has been beautified with some detailing of bandhani print which I'm sure you're really gonna love. So yes, let's really have you guys in. And yeah, I'm here to showcase this very beautiful garara set to you, which has a front slit, which has beautiful detailing of work going on right here on the leg. The fabric for this beautiful garara that I am wearing is chinon, as I mentioned guys. Has a beautiful detailing of work going on right here on the neck, and so is it on the sleeve. The sleeve has also has a detailing of bandhani. ठीक है, neck पे तो है ही. Front में आप देख सकते हो beautiful detailing of work, and there is a slit on the front, given on the front, which is really adding a look and edge to this outfit, paired with this very smart and flary garara, which you can see is again in the fabric of chinon. Chinon के ही fabric में है, beautified with gota detailing on the edge. Now about the dupatta, which is in the fabric of chiffon. So yeah, अचानक ऐसे ही सरप्राइज लाइव सेशन, जस्ट थॉट ऑफ ड्रॉपिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल सूट राइट बिफोर द करवा चौथ. आप लोग करवा चौथ के लिए डेफिनेटली कुछ ब्यूटीफुल सा रेड लेने के लिए सोच रहे हैं. सम ऑफ यू आर रियली कंफ्यूज एंड वी लुकिंग फॉर अ गरारा, एंड वी जस्ट थॉट क्यों ना एक फटाफट से गरारा लॉन्च कर दिया जाए. सी how beautiful and gorgeous this is, like a 360-degree twirl which I did right here. ठीक है, so ये beautiful सा गरारा set is available in sizes from a 38 to a 44 and we have this price at 3590 only. Now ये live यहीं तक सीमित नहीं है. I have two pretty outfits which I'm here to launch and I'm quickly gonna do that. So this is the second outfit which I have for you in the fabric of crepe. ठीक है, क्रेप के फैब्रिक में है ये सुंदर सा काफ्तान सेट. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल काफ्तान सेट इन द फैब्रिक ऑफ क्रेप. एज यू कैन सी हैज बीन ब्यूटिफाइड विद डिटेलिंग ऑफ वर्क ऑल ओवर द फ्रंट. ये पूरा काम है गाइस. दिस इज ऑल वर्क. The work is full of some Swarovski work, some beads have all been put together. Lovely detailing. See how gorgeous. And the ombre effect is really adding a look. See, there is an ombre effect going on right here. It goes darker at the edge and ऊपर light green color है. It's a very different color, I must say. And this is the pant. ठीक है, we have this paired with a very smart pant. The look of this beautiful outfit comes out really gorgeous and very classy. So this kaftan set is with lining inside. There is a cotton lining inside which makes it very comfortable for you to wear. I'm just giving you a quick understanding of how you will wear it. See, अंदर इसके आपको ये लाइन सॉरी थोड़ा ज़्यादा डायसेक्ट कर दिया मैंने इसको. बट देन या देर इज अ कॉटन यू नो लाइनिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ गिवन इनसाइड एंड वी हैव दिस पेयर्ड विद प्लाजो पैंट्स. ठीक है, सो इसका प्राइस है 3095. ठीक है, फटाफट से स्क्रीनशॉट लेके यू कैन प्लेस योर ऑर्डर्स फॉर दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल काफ्तान व्हिच आई एम रियली लविंग. ऑलराइट, and now it's not just limited to this outfit. I have another very beautiful outfit which you can definitely look out and wear this karwa chauth right here. See, this is in the fabric of georgette. ठीक है, giving you a close up. ये kaftan style में आता है. This is basically a blouse sort of a thing you can say. और इसकी पूरी sleeves जो हैं they extend till the end, right? ऐसे आता है. ठीक है, so this is how it comes out to be. There is beautiful work detailing going on right here as well as on the neck. See, beautifully done work. This is all work. And then we have this paired with a skirt which is really making a difference. You know, it's such a different concept to go with. This is the skirt and this is the top. ठीक है, it looks such a smart piece. It's an Indo-Western piece. Sizes available इसमें भी होंगे 38 से 44 and we have this price at a 2695 only. This is something really different, I must say, something which we haven't launched as much till date. It's a smart Indo-Western piece. It's a skirt. फ्रंट में आप देख सकते हो इरेगुलर सा इसका सिलुएट दिया हुआ है जो बहुत स्मार्ट एंड डिफरेंट लगता है. सो आई मस्ट से यू शुड रियली गो फॉर समथिंग लाइक दिस. हाफ इलास्टिकेटेड इसकी जो है बेल्ट है with a hook and zip on the side. So very comfortable. And then last one from today's live session, which I really don't want to miss because it's a very smart color. See, ठीक है, इसका भी जो फैब्रिक है वो चिनॉन रहेगा गाइस. चिनॉन के फैब्रिक पे beautiful detailing of work right here on the neck. That's how the sleeve is. The sleeve has this opening right here, and then there is beautiful detailing of work all over the front. We have this pair with a spaghetti inside, with a bustier inside, a comfortable bustier in what do you say, crepe ka fabric. And we have this paired with a palazzo pant, which is a very smart palazzo pant, has a lining inside, which is also in the fabric of chinon. ठीक है, so your beautiful concept is available in sizes from 38 to a 44, 46. And we have this priced at 2695 only. It's a beautiful kaftan set, I must say guys. And इसका price range बहुत ही limited. You know, I would say it's a good price to go with for this beautiful kaftan that I have. ठीक है. So yeah, ये रहा आपका beautiful सा kaftan. ठीक है. So yeah, आज बहुत टाइम बाद पुराने टाइम पे लाइव आए हैं, because trust me, अभी ख़त्म हुआ है हमारी ये जो पैकेजेस की अभी मारामारी चल रही है. आप लोगों को इतना प्यार दे रहे हो दैट पैकेजिंग इज टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो यस, बस अभी ख़त्म हुई. सो या आज का लाइव यही था. आई वॉज हियर फॉर अ शॉर्ट ड्रॉपिंग. वॉन्टेड टू लिस्ट शो यू दीज ब्यूटिफुल आउटफिट्स विच आई वॉज श्योर बहुत काम आएंगे आपके इस करवा चौथ पे या फिर इस फेस्टिव सीजन में. सो येस, फटाफट से ऑर्डर्स प्लेस करो. हैव दीज ब्यूटिफुल पीसेस कमिंग योर वे एंड कीप शॉपिंग एंड लविंग द कलाकारी, sharing us with lots and lots of love. So guys, this is me Kanika signing off from the House of Kalakari. कुछ भी पूछना हो डेफिनेटली DM सेक्शन में यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी, या फिर हमारा WhatsApp नंबर ऊपर दिया गया. So yeah, I'm going to take your leave. Thank you so much for joining the live session with us. Bye bye.